A stock count allows you to make sure that your recorded stock levels are correct and to make any adjustments to your data. You should do it once every month or whenever the vaccine quantities listed in your stock record do not match the vaccine quantities on your stock shelves. First, decide which items you're going to count. A routine count should cover vaccine doses, diluents, droppers, syringes, and safety boxes. To do your stock count, you can use a chart like this one to capture data about vaccine doses and diluents. You may find it helpful to use one sheet for each refrigerator, freezer, or cold room. One person can do a stock count, but it is ideal to have at least 2 people working together. One person to count each item, and another person to record the data on the chart. For very large stock quantities, it may be a good idea to work in 2 teams. Team 1 counts everything in a particular location, and then Team 2 counts everything in that same location. They keep going until they have counted everything in all storage spaces. If there is a discrepancy between the 2 counts, you will need to recount or check with a supervisor. For example, here's a stock count sheet for vaccines and diluents. To fill this out, you write down a description of the vaccine, the number of vials, the number of doses per vial, the total doses, the lot number, and expiry date. Once you have finished, update your stock records to show the correct data. If there is a difference of greater than plus or minus 1 vial, investigate the reasons why. With more accurate counts, you will be better able to avoid stockouts and overstocking, and be more likely to order and have the vaccines you need when you need them.